I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making files the single hub for documents. Open Settings, enable iCloud Drive, and ensure Files shows the On My iPad location. Once done, connect any external USB drive or enable Wi-Fi access so Files can index content. Make sure Files has permission to access location and external volumes. This lets you move, copy, and tag items without third-party apps. From here, you'll create folders and import a representative file to confirm everything is recognized. Now organize. Open Files and use drag and drop or the Select button and move to place items into folders. Once in folders, add color tags and create shortcuts to the sidebar for quick access. This speeds up retrieval. When you need to combine files, select multiple items, duplicate or compress into a zip, then share via Share Sheet. Make sure to preview files first so you don't move the wrong version if a file is large. Copying to iCloud Drive avoids local storage limits. Finish by backing up key folders to iCloud Drive or exporting duplicates to an external drive. Once done, confirm file permissions and that recent edits synced across your devices. If syncing or access fails, sign out of iCloud and sign back in, check available storage, and restart the iPad. These steps resolve most issues. For stubborn external drives, make sure the drive uses a compatible format like exFAT or apps, and that any required power.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.